Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do updates and news on and other updates about what's happening. Right now, just updated a little bit about a few days ago for the Edwin Neal autograph from Spooky Empire. They're doing their private signings until June 14th. So if any of you dudes or dudettes are interested or a big fan of his work, he didn't just do movies, he also did voice acting. So let's be clear. Could anybody tell me what is the character? Was this featured in the Sonic Adventure games, or the series? And of course, we know him as Nubis Sawyer, the hitchhiker in the 1974 classic, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Your choice of autographs, you get the details, how you want them signed. And then here's the Sonic the Hedgehog movies. So I believe these are the animated films that he did. So yeah, and also more update news, what I just found out. Oh my god, we're going to get the Chucky trilogy, the Child's Play trilogy are getting 4Ks. Say what? 4Ks? You're kidding. No freaking way. And of course, the original Red Dawn is getting a 4K release with some sets, posters and pins. The other ones are getting their own standalones. If you don't want that, then here. This one is going to cost you $210. Now, why is this? What is this? And it's going to come with the 3 films with slip covers, 3 disc, one 4K, one Blu-ray, the other one on a second disc with the special features. Here's a 2-disc version, Blu-ray and 4K, and for Child's Play 2, and for 3, we're going to be getting 2 disc. I just hope 2 and 3 get a television version. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not so sure. Also, we're going to be getting a limited edition NECA toy 5.5 charred Chucky doll from the first movie. So yeah. Handling fee is $6. Wow. Limited edition, only 4,000 units. This will be separately from the rest of your order in late 2022. Please note, the handling fee is $6.99 will be added for each action figure ordered. All right. Limited edition 18 by 24 rolled posters from the original theatrical artwork for all 3 films. These will ship rolled in a poster tube. 2 additional slipcovers made exclusively for this promotion, featuring new artwork from Devon Whitehead, who of course you can know as Devon something. You can follow him on Instagram. Just put Devon Whitehead and you can see his latest artwork for only and also his art is only for the 2 of the Child's Play films, Child's Play 2 and Child's Play 3. 2 exclusive 18 by 24 limited edition roll posters made exclusively for the promotion, newly designed art. Again, all tubed, and also you get an exclusive limited edition set of 3 Child's Play postcards. Plus, Screen Factory and Gutter Grabs have teamed up to bring you the Chucky collectible Admiral pin set exclusively from Shop Factory. Woo! 1,000 units. Ah-wee! Set includes 5 pins. Each pin's had hard Admiral. Each pin measured approximately 1.5 high. Each pin includes clutch with rubber backer. Set includes custom backer card, which measures approximately 6 by 5. Pin set on card, stored custom keepsake box, which measured approximately 7 by 6. Keepsake box includes custom insert to keep pin set on card. In place. Art by Matthew Skiff. So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we're going to be getting, y'all. The movies, the limited edition slip covers. Hold on. Okay. We get the movies. get the films, but that's the original Scream Factory work. These are the poster artworks. You get alternate slippies, slip covers, postcards. Chucky looks cool with his sunglasses and a cigar. Very cool. Admiral pins. Look how awesome they are. The look of it, the design of the doll, Jack in the Box, batteries, and Chucky's pizza face of a head. Then you got the NECA toy. That's charred, 5.5 inches. Very cool. You got the theatrical posters. 2 alternate artworks for Child's Play 2 and Child's Play 3. Very insane, y'all. Very insane. I don't even know if we're going to be getting the television cut for Child's Play 2 and 3. If there is, please let me know if they did. I just hope we would get the television cuts. Or maybe they'll be in the deleted scene. Who knows? But please let this be true. Heck, they wouldn't be going all out with this stuff if there's more in the 4K and Blu-ray disc. Please. If there's the television cuts for 2 and 3, I want to get this. But I'm definitely going to pull the trigger soon. But I don't know, not too fast, okay? I don't want to do it too fast. But all in all, this is a crazy-esque of a set. Look at it, y'all. You can't get any crazier than that. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's check what's up at CSR Collectibles. Alrighty, with update at Scream Factory, at CSR, with Scream Factory out of the way, now we got updates at CSR Collectibles. Let's see, and this would be Aaron Armstrong, the gentleman that played the young 1978 Michael Myers in the flashback scenes in Halloween Kills, taking place in 1978. And you got until August, repeat, August at 12 p.m. That's right, y'all, that's at noon. So, yeah. And not much to tell with any artwork, so let's take a look at what they have. Okay, you got the scene where the flashback scene of young Michael, and then you got Michael grabbing a human. I'm going to say that that's the scene in Halloween Kills. That's James Chu Courtney, so I can't even tell the mask looked original. Behind the scenes with the director and Tom Lester Jr., if I said his name right, who played the Dr. Loomis, who looks a lot like Donald Pleasance in a way. And then you got this poster. Okay, let me eliminate the sizes. Okay, this is 11 by 14 inch. 11 by 14 poster for the Michael Myers mask. And then these are the 8 by 10s. Hold on. That you just saw. And then let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Hold on. by inch poster of Halloween Kills. Alrighty. And now choose one size. Funko Pop, 90 bucks. Knife, 60 bucks. The mask, 110 bucks. And also pick whatever color marker you like, whether you want to pick this one. Okay, and then personalization gonna cost you extra. And description. Also, the character which you like to add, very important. Michael Myers or the shape. $8 more for the CSR, for the JSA Beckett authentication. And then off you go and purchase the items. So yeah, y'all, what do you think so far about updates and stuff? And I already said Friday 13 Parts 1 and 2 are at GalaxyCon as well, promoting for Spooky Empire for next month's event. So yeah. So y'all, what do you all think so far of these pre-order vids so far? Anybody excited for the Chucky films? I know I am. So we're getting 5 posters, 3 postcards, Admiral pin, 5.5 inch NECA figure of the burned Chucky toy, and you got 2 wicked alternate slip covers, and you got the 3 with the alternate slip cover from the Blu-ray that we got in 9 years ago. Then we got these two for the new ones, but they're the theatrical posters. I wish they could have been there. I just don't get it, really. So yeah, but let's be clear, everybody. This set is only going to cost you $210. Whoa! And let's see the other edition. All right, so this one's going to cost you $153. Again, it's because of the NECA toy. So yeah, it's going to be available on August 16 of this year. So you got till the end of summer. And again, like what you saw before, everything's the same. But I don't know if there's any speculation. Is Child's Play 2 and 3 going to have the television versions of their films? I really don't know. I could be lying. I could be wrong. But they have subtitles and audio commentaries and other things. And I hope they put special features and deleted scenes, you know, at least. So yeah, so again, this is going to cost you $153.90. And then for this one, is going to cost you $113.94. That is going to have all the sets that you've seen. But again, the movies, the 3 films, 2 alternate slipcovers, 3 theatrical posters, and 2 alternate posters. From the posters, of course, were designed, and the slipcovers were designed by the great Devin Whitehead. Shoutouts to Devin Whitehead. Shoutouts to Shout Factory, a.k.a. Scream Factory. Sorry for that, folks. A little coochie coo right there. So anyways, y'all, link will be in the description box down below. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. And enjoy the last day of May.